Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to reflash Nokia 2.3, alias known as TA1211, and also known under other model numbers. We are going to need a flashing operation for removing passwords, fixing different software issues, and so on. For reflashing it, I'm going to use OT Smart module, latest version, and FURIOUSGOLD box. So let's start by selecting our model, Nokia 2.3. From here I'm going to choose right factory firmware, and I'm going to choose the downloaded firmware from the support area. Now I'm going to power off our device, remove the USB cable, press connect on the software, and once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to keep pressed volume up and volume down and insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. Now we only need to wait for the process to complete. So that's it, the flashing process ended. Now let's check the mobile. So as you can see, the flash completed successfully, the phone it's fine. So thanks for watching this video tutorial, thanks for using our products, bye bye.